Singapore Airlines appears to have given up on its plan to operate flights to nowhere. However, it hasn't given up on getting passengers back onto its planes. In the coming weeks, the airline will be offering up its Airbus A380 as a somewhat unusual restaurant. For just 2 days, the A380 will play host to Singapore Airlines guests to enjoy a full in-flight dining experience on the ground. Diners can pick their cabin class and enjoy the attentive service of Singapore Airlines' flight attendants while being served the airline's signature international dishes on board the plane. Taking place over 2 weekends in late November, the airline will bring visitors into its training center for guided tours and activities. Participants will be able to take a look at the history of the airline, as well as how cabin crew undergo training and what Singapore Airlines is doing on sustainability. They can even add on a run in the flight simulator. Just like the real deal, diners can opt for a variety of classes on board the A380. This ranges from the comfortable economy cabin with its 32-pitch seating and 10.6-inch IFE screen to the gold standard first class suites, a fully private room with a full-sized bed and separate adjustable leather seat. For those who are just looking for a taste of the experience without breaking the bank, Singapore Airlines has priced the economy class offering at about 50 Singapore dollars. This will get guests a typical economy class meal and some special limited edition souvenirs. Business class ranges from 60 to 82 seats on the Airbus A380 and features a 1:1 layout with 34-inch wide seats. The seat converts into a fully flat bed, although it's not clear if diners will be allowed to take a post-meal nap. Probably not. Pricing here is about 300 Singapore dollars per person. First class suites number either 6 or 12 depending on the aircraft. The first class experience is priced at about 600 Singapore dollars per person. Reservations for the A380 restaurant at Changi are opening from October 12th, with the experience going ahead on October 24th and 25th. The airline has said there will be limited spaces available for a pre-lunch tour of the A380 on the day too. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel.